Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego sea turtle. If you're at the first Lego League competition, you may have received one of these bags. If not, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make this bad boy and everything you need to know. Here are the pieces we used. We've written down the colours that we use for our sea turtle, but obviously you can customise the turtle how you like and use different colours. So first we're going to build the shell, then the legs, and then the eyes. Let's jump in. So first off, we're going to make the shell for our turtle. So we've got our 3x3 here, and we're also going to grab our 1x3, and we're going to place our 1x3 vertically onto the 3x3, so it looks like that. Then we're going to grab two of our 1x1s, and we're going to put them either side of our 1x3, so it makes sort of a cross, sort of like X marks the spot. The next thing you want to do is you're going to want to grab your last 1x1. We're going to stick that in the centre of the cross like that, so you can see there. And then we're going to grab our 1x1 2/3, which are the ones with the slope. You're going to want all four of them, and you're going to stick them around the edge of your 1x1 you just put in. Now you can really start to see the shell shape come along, as you can see here. Now you're going to want to grab your 1x1 flat plate. You're going to want to stick that on top, so like that. Now you're going to want to grab your 1x1 quarter pieces, and you're going to want to stick those around the edges like that, all four of them. And then once you've done that, you should have the finished product of your shell. We've finished the shell now. Now it's time to move on to the feet. First thing you're going to want to do is flip it over, and then you're going to want to grab both of your 1x1 modified with studs on all sides, and you're going to want to place one of them right there. Then you're going to want to grab your other one, and you're going to want to stick your 1x3 bar through it like that, so it is held in place by this top stud, and then you're just going to want to slide it in there and stick it down like that. So now it looks like it's got sort of a back beam to the body. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your 1x1 clips, like that. I've got them in sand green. Again, you can have them in any colour. And you're going to want to have them like this, so the clip faces from top to bottom, so like that. You're going to want to do the same on all sides, and these will be where the feet will attach onto. Yeah. Now we're going to want to grab our 1x1 clips, well, with a bar handle, and you're going to want to flip the shell back onto its right side and attach the 1x1 bars onto the clips like this. Now you're going to want to grab your round 1x1 plates, and you're going to want to stick them on top. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now that's the feet done. So now we're going to add on the backs. First we need to flip over our turtle so it's right side up. Then you're going to want to look for the hole without the bar in it. So you can see this one has the bar, you can see that little black bit there. So this one doesn't have the bar in it. Now I'm going to pick up my 1x2 that's round on all sides, and you're going to want to look for this sort of dot on the underside of that. And you're going to want to slip that in the hole of your 1x1 modified with studs on all sides. And that's the back. Now let's move on to the eyes. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our 1x1 modified with studs on two sides, and we're going to stick that on the other end of our turtle. So this is the one with the bar in it, and this won't affect it because, as you can see, this is hollow on the bottom. Now you're going to want to grab your 1x1 round eyes, and then you're going to want to stick them on either side of your 1x1 modified with studs on two sides. And there you have it, our very own little sea turtle.